In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a class schedule in Canva. If you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to organize your classes or just want a creative and visually appealing way to keep track of your schedule, Canva offers a fantastic solution. Stick with me as we walk through the simple process of creating a class schedule that is both functional and eye-catching. First, you'll want to start by visiting the Canva website, which you can find easily by searching Canva on your web browser. Once you've landed on the Canva homepage, navigate to the search bar at the top of the page. Here, you'll want to type in class schedule and press enter. This will open up a variety of templates that are specifically designed for this purpose. Canva is known for its vast array of templates, so take your time to browse through these options. Each template will provide a different style and layout, allowing you to choose one that best suits your personal taste or needs. Once you've found a design that catches your eye, simply click on it. This will take you to the template's main page where you'll see a button labelled Customize this template. Go ahead and click this button, which will open the template in Canva's editor where the real fun begins. In the editor, you can start personalizing your schedule. This is your opportunity to tailor every detail, from the colors and fonts to more specific elements like adding or removing content blocks to match your class timetable. Updating the text is straightforward. Just click on any text box to change it to reflect your classes, times, or any other information you want to include. You might want to use Canva's wide range of font options to ensure your schedule is not only informative but also visually pleasing. Once you're satisfied with the look of your class schedule, it's time to think about sharing or saving it. You'll find the share button at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this will give you options to either share your schedule directly with others or proceed with downloading it. If you're choosing to download, Canva offers multiple file types to select from, like PDF or JPEG, depending on how you want to use your schedule. Just click download, choose your preferred file type, and then click download again to save it to your device. And there you have it, your very own custom class schedule ready for you to print or keep as a digital copy. Thank you for joining me today as we explored creating a class schedule using Canva. This process is not only useful but also allows for a bit of creativity when organizing your classes. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and happy designing.